Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz CLA and Tesla models. When it comes to performance, Tesla vehicles are known for their rapid acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The CLA, while sporty, offers a more traditional gasoline engine experience with a top speed around 130 miles per hour. Tesla also boasts impressive electric ranges, frequently exceeding 250 miles on a single charge. Moving inside, Tesla's interior is characterized by its minimalist design and a large central touchscreen that controls nearly all vehicle functions. The Mercedes-Benz CLA, on the other hand, presents a more traditional luxury experience with its dual-screen MBUX infotainment system and tactile controls. Both offer advanced driver assistance features, but their approach to user interface and cabin aesthetics differs significantly, catering to distinct preferences. The driving experience in a Tesla is defined by instant electric torque and a remarkably quiet ride, offering a smooth and powerful acceleration. The CLA provides a more engaging, traditional driving feel with its responsive gasoline engine and well-tuned suspension, delivering a balanced blend of comfort and sportiness. Tesla's low center of gravity enhances its handling, making it feel planted and agile through turns, while the CLA offers a classic luxury car ride. Considering cost and ownership, Tesla vehicles typically offer lower running costs due to cheaper electricity compared to gasoline for the CLA. Initial purchase prices can vary widely for both, depending on the specific model, trim level, and chosen options. Tesla's advanced technology often translates to strong resale value. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both cars represent excellent value in their respective segments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.